Let's talk about wiring. And if you're a person who does not like that, or you look at something like this and you get intimidated, I want to speak to you individually, man, because fortunately there's a company out there like American Autowire, and their whole purpose in business is to take a task like wiring and make it simpler. And they do that with so many different ways that, I love this because everything's labeled, everything's packaged kind of separately, and they really do take something that a lot of people view as intimidating and they make it a lot easier.
This is the classic update kit for the Jeep CJs, and it literally gives you everything you need. So going in, you're going to have the right wire for the job, you're going to have the right gauge, you're going to have all the right connectors, you're going to have all the hardware, the fuses, relays, all the stuff you need. What you see over back on the front of the Jeep, that's all part of this kit, but they keep it in individual packages so you don't get messed up, and you can able to say, okay, like right here, here's the engine kit, here's the front light kit, et cetera, et cetera. So you go ahead and put in the main bulkhead, you get that in place, and then you start running the wires off of it, and every extension from it, you kind of plug in and go from there.
We also went for the optional severe duty relay kit because we're going to put this in here too because we know there's going to be a winch, there's going to be some lights and all kinds of stuff like that too. So we're going to have basically everything ready. And the reason that we're doing it kind of in this order, right, is to just get that and build it as we go, right?
Right. Ooh, breaking the place.
I'll hold the vehicle still, all right? I got you.
Boom, done.
It's pretty good.